Hello YouTubers, today I will be doing a review, an unboxing on the Hornady case parts dryer. So let's open this up and see what all comes with it. So it appears we have a clear top unit with the fan motor and the on-off switch on it. There is 1, 2, 3 parts dryers racks for gun parts, cases after they've been washed and cleaned, and a 4th spacer. It also includes a manual. I'm personally really excited for this. Up to this point, I've been using my oven to dry my brass after I wash it in stainless steel media. And any gun parts I run through my Sonic cleaner, I've just had to sit out and let dry. So I'm excited to use this, less power consumption, a little lower temperatures, and better control. So if we put this back together, the rings go on, and then if you put the top spacer on, it leaves definitely enough room to put some gun parts in here on the top, on the spacer level, to allow you to still put the lid on and dry it. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel. There's a link in the upper left corner here you can click on. Also make sure you click on the bell next to the subscription button to get notifications when I post new videos. In the future, I'll be doing a review on this actually running and how it works for drying parts and cases.